Hello and welcome back to Lifelong Learning Khmer. In this video, I'm going to teach you the adjectives, specifically position of adjectives, as well as some ending words for the numeric adjectives. Alright, to begin, let's have a look at this one. So in English, the position of the adjective is before noun, but in Khmer, the adjectives is after noun, not before noun. Okay, so we have noun and then we have adjective. Example, you say monu, that is a noun, that means a person, and then kapur. Kapur is an adjective. But in English, you say a tall person, right? But in Khmer, we say a person tall. Another example, big, which is pen, and then the adjective of color is krohom, which is red. Big krohom, and in English you say a red pen, but in Khmer we say a pen red. Alright, so this is the position of adjective in Khmer. Okay, so now let us go to the next part, which is about numeric adjective. It is a little bit different since we have some ending words. Now let's have a look at the structure here, the formula. So the first one is noun, and after that the numeric adjective. But what is special in here is the ending word for the number. Let's have a look at the example. Menu, P. So P2, which is 2, so this is the numeric adjective which modifies people here. But you cannot just say menu P. We need an ending word for this one, which is ne. So this is the ending word for the number which we used to talk about people. So again we say menu P ne. Menu P ne. And another example, beige pens, beige P. So 2 pens, but in Khmer we say beige P. But here it is still not enough. In order to make it complete, we need to add the ending word for that number. But this is not ne anymore. This is beige. So this is a thing. So we say beige P dam. Big P dam. Okay, so this is the ending word for the number, and they are different from one to another based on the heading nouns here. Alright, so I want you to go to another slide which talks a little bit about the difference of the heading nouns here and the ending word for the number which modify this noun here. Okay, so we have a lot of categories, but I'm going to show you some only here which are really common here. Alright, so people we use with ne. So you say 2 people, menu P ne. And with animals we use kabal. Kabal, you say, for example, 2 chickens, you say mon pi kabal. Or 3 dogs, chkai bay kabal. Alright, so we use kabal with animals. And for pens, markers, the things which is tube like, okay, so it has the tube shape, we use dam. For example, as you can see earlier from our previous example, you say big P dam. Okay, that is dam. And for electronic stuff, it's like laptops, iPads, iPhones, TVs, aircon, something like that. Electronic stuff we use with krương. Okay, krương. That's called krương. So again, people we use with ne. So 2 people, menu pi ne. Animals we use with kabal, 3 dogs, chkai bay kabal. Pens, markers we use with dam. So you say 2 pens, big P dam. electronic stuff. It's like laptops or TV, something like that. We use គ្រឿង for example a TV ទូរទស្សន៍មួយគ្រឿង let me read these words for you again អ្នកក្បាលដើមគ្រឿង Okay, to sum up, let's go back to sum up. So in Khmer, the position of adjective is after noun, not before noun, like English. Okay, noun plus adjective. And for the numeric adjectives, we need to add the ending word for the number based on that noun. Okay, all right. And this is the list for the ending word. With people, we use with អ្នក animals we use with ក្បាល and pen markers, something like has a cube shape, we use with ដើម and electronic stuff we use with គ្រឿង Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let us see you in the next video. Bye bye.